Me and she left for a good reason, you know. Because she want to go live a dirty kind of lifestyle. So, you know, make she take her medication. You see it? Cause what the builder does, build house. And what I do, I make money.
Yes. It's the next funny video. Because, of course, it's only funny videos we do over here. But this time, we dig up some old video from all over the internet of Jamaicans saying and doing the darnest things. Of course, you're gonna laugh. So, since you guarantee if you laugh, just like the video for now for me, please. Liking the video, it goes a far way helping the channel. Now, let's get into the laughing.
No man, me not missing no. Any man turn a gun from me run, go for me, we have a blood clot run right. Cause 2-9, blub, 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 blub. 2-9. But yo, you see by me go some lace off. 9 and 10 and 12. You say if you hold a gun from your kidney, come run, go for me, you're dead.
What am I getting?
You're dead. Yeah, tell me talking like that. Can you idiot? You can't tell me from talking like that. Lean me run. Look at you. Your man we have when you're dead, man. Your man we have when you're dead after your body now. Bumbo clap fridge.
Wait a minute. I community bad man this, you know. Don't ramp with him, you know. When name? Shine Head Top. Or just call him Shine Head. Or Shine Wheel. Or Shine Car. Or, you boss say, 10 plus 9 or 12. On to the next video, yeah, bud.
I'm dead. Just relax, my brother. Relax, my brother. I'm dead. Come in and let him go off of this, you know. Good work.
Hero.
Good fucking job, boy.
Hero, give a tap.
Hey, I'm going to be a top for my baby mother.
This can't be real. Yo, there's a saying that goes, Jamaica is not a real place. But what have I always been saying? If you're new here, I've always said, Jamaicans, we are not real people. The man say, good catch. You can't take a loving off of my baby mother. But a one loving you gonna get. Tell me now. Tell me now. This a Rasta, you know. Boss, like India, you know what? Watch it.
Blood clot, chicken, you think you're in a body. You're a chicken.
For all I Rasta them out there, my apologies. He's not a Rasta. He's a dreadlocks. Or a dread. Or a natty. Or a Congo. Because dreadlocks no mix up in a eating fowl. No. Dread no eat flesh. Worse human flesh. And if you eat meat, you will need meat on the sheet if you are dread. Anyways. Me a regular man, me not dread, so me can't eat cow, goat, chicken. Me can't eat all of that, but you Rasta, you can't eat that. Anyways, just a look refreshing videos, the next two videos, Bujo Kocha Coconut and, you know, Ray and Tay.
When Buju Banton realized there's no water in the coconut.
Them say them love you as young, them a young, why you dead 6 months go so blow.
Bumbo clot, this is the water in the coconut mafia.
Pain in my mind, me at last somewhere where them can't find. Just pain in my mind.
Bujo, nature first, yo. Nature put the water in and nature took it back out. Yo, that's one of the worst things, especially for me who really can't chop coconut like that. Just imagine me chopping the coconut for like 5 minutes. And then when me done chop it after 5 minutes, no water and then I hit, I'll be upset. Anyways, real coconut here. Just refreshing, yard man. Big up all of the vendors, them here sell fruits, vegetable, clothes. Big up yourself. When a vendor them sell a back road, big up on yourself too. Thanks for your service. So yeah, man, granddaddy cutting coconut. Never turn off the music because some Buju Banton song, coconut. But yeah, man, big up all our roadside vendor them, man. We appreciate them, man. You know, my favorite roadside vendors are the ones them out of border we sell the fish and bummy. Yo, fish and bombing, nice. But yeah, Jamaica that too. We not only, you know, we love laugh over here, but we have to show some other side of Jamaican too. Very refreshing and refined to see. You know, coconut I get chopped and people I get served, and now we're back to the laughing.
Bang bang, what happens? No loud up. What wrong with them? Yo, what that bang? Do the right thing, bro. The plate and fork, what that? I mean, the money for going and that. Man just stand up there. Matter of fact, you can complain to. Yo, bang, what that? You do the right thing, man. And that me done. Jano. Are you bad? Are you what? Alright, Ben. Jano. Yo, Ben, we have gone with all the liquor and cup there. Are you name Ray? No, me, I'm nephew. Watch man play my phone. Do the right thing, man.
Oh, I'm too hungry got IT. Or a fancy cat that. Yeah, oh my god, a fancy cat. Sin got big, I have him named Fancy Cat. Wonder why they call him as Fancy Cat. Fancy Cat. Why they from one name Fancy Cat? Anyways, me can't say nothing too bad about Fancy and IT. Cause me using content all the time. But man, I worst set of people them they were deep they had enough food where it's in a public setting. If you're there yard, do whatever you want to do, but you come up family gathering, don't do that. You will lose your hand. And all broke. We have to carry go hospital. Anyways, them a Jamaican are cuss. I don't remember them a cuss but guess what? We gonna watch you and laugh.
Anytime we chat, so no suck enough. Anytime we chat, so popping up on no throat. That's why you no chat so much. We no suck enough. Make you no chat so much.
Hey God.
Open up your wild pipe. Open up your wild pipe. Come on, think of think of whoever watch out. Go a car watch, come make them power watch your mouth. Think of you must think of you must think of you must think of you must think of
one talking point uncle have, and that's the lady more think a penis. But me kinda believe uncle still now, because that lady that's cussing with uncle, I cannot understand one word that's coming out of her mouth. So it seems like say something stuck in her throat. And as uncle say, a penis. On to the next video. Now this a lady I know, this a lady. She seems like she teach the whole community to eat cat. And after she teach the community to eat cat, the whole I man them left her. I kid you not. Make sure you tell her for yourself.
The first man me teach to eat my sister. The second man me teach to eat, he starts eating woman in yard. I never used to eat her before. And when me teach him go eat the woman in yard. And me hurt. The last one that me teach him start name down the whole community. Me not teach the man to eat again. So if you don't know to eat it, do not come in my DM. And if you don't have a little body, do not come in my DM. If you don't have a little, do not come in my DM. I don't want no little body. I have a talk so little. I don't want no little body.
Well, everybody have their preference still, you know. Everybody have their preference. But where woman ain't gonna burn me out probably. But what I don't understand is women always cuss men about their penis size. You figure say so God make the man. But when man cuss you, say you're overweight and you're big and you're fat, or the correct word or terminology in this correctness is plus size. When a woman plus size and you tell her says she plus size, she vex and say she find those words offensive. Baby, God never make you plus size. Are you not take, but Mona, you have plus size women who take care of themselves, but you know when you let yourself loose, yeah. So you never born big, you never born plus size. But a man with a small penis and a big head like a for me, so God make we. Anyways, I left this so you can argue about that in the comment section for me. Stay safe, God bless, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Me appreciate everybody who watch the video. Me appreciate everybody who like the video. Miss Freta, Miss Campbell, and the rest of family, big up on yourself.